I'm somebody who's always really valued the way my hair makes me look, the way my hair makes me feel in the world. You see, I'm somebody who's really enjoyed having different haircuts at different times, right? Being creative. I'm a creative person. And my hair has always been a part of that creativity for me. So it was a real struggle to try to come to terms with the fact that I might not always have it. I realized that I had been ignoring or really in denial about the fact that my hairline, especially on the sides, was receding. I first heard about Theradome only about a year ago, and I heard about it through a friend who had heard about it from another friend. And I heard about how effective some people were saying Theradome was for them. And, also when I heard about that the price point was something that is reachable, that is attainable, then I thought, well, maybe I really need to give Theradome a try. I'm able to wear it while I'm doing things in my house that I'd be doing otherwise. I'm able to wear it in my home office while I'm working. So after using it for about 3 months, I really have noticed a visible change. It's closing up from the top down, that my hair is fuller. My hair is also fuller on top. It holds up to the wear and tear of life. If you're gonna have something on your head for 20 minutes at a time, several times a week, it's going to bump something. Theradome is really bringing back to me the sense of freedom that my hair gives me.